Hey there, welcome to my studio here in New York City. I'm Daniel Norton, photographer, and I asked you how to light this. Okay, I cheated a little bit on this one. You know, sometimes the best light is the light that's there. This is 99.9% available light. And one of the reasons why I wanted to showcase this image is two things. Number one, it's mostly available light. I used to carry around a big sheet. This is when I was down in Miami. And I would just lay it on the ground nearby just to kick up any extra light, if you will. So that's kind of over here to the side. So if you could imagine there's a sheet here on the ground. And that just picks up a little detail up here. It's really subtle. But the main reason why I wanted to show this was because, first of all, I framed her with this flare going behind her neck and everything. We are losing all kinds of detail in this image. But it's not about that. We're losing details in the highlights. We're losing details in the shadow. We have some funky color. But it's about a mood. It's about that moment where you see that person and the sun's blinding you and you're just getting this thing. Sometimes when we create images, we want to light them not perfect, f1.2 outside with the softbox where everything, the sky's dark blue. Sometimes we want to light them kind of gritty and real and in the moment. And this is an image to me that represents that in my style. What would you do here? Would you use natural light? Would you modify this in some way? Would you add flash? Let me know in the comments below. Also, be sure to check out my Discord channel. There's a link to it in the description below. Please do subscribe to the channel and ring the bell and do all that good stuff if you like the video. I'll talk to you soon.